Yo, what's up guys? It's International O back at it once again with another video. I'm doing an on feet of these Jordan 1 Pine Green Lows. I'm starting to do on feets now. I've gotten advice from people. Like I said, shout out to Shantae. She told me I need to do on feets. So I'm gonna do some on feet videos for you guys moving forward. Pine Greens up. Like and subscribe the video, please. It would mean a lot. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you don't want to subscribe, hit the like button at least. I'd appreciate it. My laces didn't come in time for these. I was actually gonna lace swap these, but they didn't come in time. Today I just been lace swapping shoes. I did get the lace swap my threes, took the white laces out, put the black ones in. They look a lot better with black laces in them. Solid. I love it. Black laces. Then I also took the laces that came with these shoes. I finally swapped them out. They came with them, the yellow laces for the undefeated Air Max 90s, and it actually looks better with the yellow laces in it. They stand out. So yeah, we're gonna get to this video. Let me know what you guys think of how the shoe looks on feet. I'm doing two styles, pants and shorts. I had somebody ask me to do joggers for the KDs, but I wouldn't really rock those with joggers. That's just me. That's my preference. If you do, salute. Also, I don't really have too many joggers. I have a few, but not really many, and I didn't get to pull them out in time for these, so I did jeans and shorts. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to the on feet. Let's get to it.
You ain't moving bricks, sucker so fictional. You and your partners ain't shit. Y'all ain't ballin' in the mix. Damn it, you pitiful. Spitting that lyrical, hustling spiritual, feeling it out of your spine. Hold up a flow, getting better like wine. You want a body, but I want a mind. I see that real nigga so hard to find. 90% of them fraudulent. I'm choosing to be one deep when I'm around. You ain't touch keys or a quarter a pound. Man, I swear I'ma just pray for these niggas that's faking. We know you a clown. Catching these plays, so I'm running my route like Antonio Brown.
I don't know about you, but I'm on mine. Came from the ground, so I'm gon' shine. Catching plays that's on time. We in the zone, that's touchdown. I don't know about you, but I'm on mine. Came from the ground, so I'm gon' shine. Catching plays that's on time. We in the zone, that's touchdown.
Pay attention, got a outer space swag. You would swear I was from Neptune. We hustling for bread, I don't know about what the rest do. I'm in the black, banging on fat pet, flipping on the mission, and I'm trying to get the cash stacks. Old backwards ass niggas trying to get cat stacks. Shit, I'm trying to get some stacks from the cat. Feel that pimp game so out of this world. Fuck around and get a couple stacks up out of your girl. Why you strictly tripping, tricking off them diamonds and pearl? She got your ass in sex filth, buying all kind of furs. Hell, I do it like a Geo, chasing them C-notes, bottle popping and bras bopping wherever we go. And you should be so sick of love songs like Neo. You lames ain't never stressing me. Hell, it's self